All accidents involving a forklift must be reported to a supervisor. These include freight damage, contact with another vehicle or stationary object, or injury to a coworker. There are two especially dangerous types of accidents that can occur while operating a forklift. These are lateral tip over and longitudinal turnover. Lateral tip overs occur when a lift rolls over onto its side. This is usually caused by excessive speed, driving over debris, and attempting a maneuver with a load that is too high. Forklifts have a 3-point suspension. As long as the center of gravity remains inside the triangle formed by these 3 points, the vehicle remains stable. Once the center of gravity goes beyond those points, a lateral tip over could happen. When a lateral tip over happens, it is important to stay with the forklift. Remain inside the overhead guard. Hold on to the steering wheel and push yourself into the seat. The mast will prevent the forklift from rolling all the way over and crushing the overhead guard. To prevent lateral tip overs, avoid running over debris and keep forks low when traveling with a load. A longitudinal turnover occurs when a forklift falls between the dock and trailer. Common causes of this type of turnover are wheels of the trailer not properly chocked, the bridge or dock plate not properly secured, or the truck driver pulls away from the dock while the forklift is still inside. In addition to all the safety information we have presented, there are still additional safety rules that are enforced here at Holland. Reckless or unsafe operation of a forklift is not permitted. Never use reverse as a brake. Doing this increases wear and tear of the equipment. Stunt driving and horseplay are prohibited at all times. Head, arms, hands, legs, and feet must remain inside the driving compartment at all times while the forklift is in operation. Never put hands, arms, or head through the mast for any reason. Forklift blades should not be used for opening or closing doors. Stay at least 3 feet away from the edge of the dock whether you are operating a forklift or walking along the dock. Drive within the limits of the load, surface conditions, and your ability or skill level. Don't try to speed up your work by taking shortcuts. Alert others with your horn when you approach someone from behind or drive through a congested area. Only raise or lower the load while the truck is stopped, never while it is moving. Lift and lower loads slowly and smoothly and avoid jerking motions. Forklift tires may lose traction and spin. Wet tires or floors can cause your forklift to skid. Observe and follow warning signs placed on your vehicle's body or overhead guard by the manufacturer. Passengers are never allowed on any portion of the forklift. Never stand or allow anyone else to stand under elevated lifts. Pedestrians always have the right of way. When working in close quarters to a forklift, stay clear of its line of travel. Never load a container that is leaking. Never attempt to pick up or carry drums with forklift blades. Use an attachment created specifically for that purpose. Safety chains on attachments must be maintained and in good working order and used while using the attachments. Never lift a forklift with another forklift. In closing, forklifts are a valuable tool when used properly. Misuse can cause serious injury and damage. To stay safe, forklift operators need to become familiar with their equipment, understand the mechanical components, make sure your equipment is in good condition, and practice safe operating techniques. Remember, should you be involved in a forklift incident such as an accident, injury, or be observed by operating recklessly by speeding, disobeying Holland safety rules, etc., you will be required to have remedial training and have to be recertified. If you ever need additional information, we at Holland have powered industrial lift truck training materials available at each facility.